There's your E. I'm going to go to A and give it to you just one time, then I'll do the same thing with each one. A. Pause and come back to this if you have to. A. D. There you go. Here's G. And B. Let's go to B, okay? And then the high E. The high E is the bottom one. Well, top string, bottom string, however you're going to call it. Here it is, E. Then strike a chord. And it should sound something like that. That's a G. Very harmonious once you're in tune. So now you're ready to play. You got it all in tune? Go have fun doing it.